Hey everyone, I received this multi-function sewing machine as a gift from the brand in exchange for an honest review. Let's get into it. So here it is in the box. You can see it's this white and purple color. Here's a little bit about this sewing machine. It says it has 12 stitch patterns, it has reverse sewing, and it can sew multi-layered denim. It has a thread cutter, LED light, and a little drawer in there as well. And here are the accessories that it comes with. It comes with an adapter cord, a foot pedal, 2 spools, 2 bobbins, 2 needles, and 1 threader. So let's actually open this up, look at it, and put it to the test. Here it is straight out of the package, and they give you everything you need to get started on your sewing journey. You have all the thread and bobbins, scissors, you have 32 pieces of fabric, and even a seam ripper. Then you also receive the user manual, and here's the machine itself. It looks very nice, it feels very sturdy, and I love that it has so many sewing options. It does come pre-threaded, and the variety of fabrics is very nice. I decided to try and make a little purse out of this fabric. Right away, this machine started working so well, and it was very quick and easy to make this purse. Here is my final result. The seams feel nice and sturdy. This machine is so nice. It's small enough that you can transport it wherever you go, and it just works very, very well. If you are in need of a new sewing machine, I do highly recommend this one by this brand. I was honestly very surprised by the quality and just how well it worked.